Hello, besties. In the world of investing, everyone is usually chasing the next big thing. They want the rocket ships, the AI giants, and the flashy tech startups. But while the crowd is looking up at the moon, some of the world's most successful investors, like Warren Buffett, are looking on the ground. They're looking for value stocks. Today, I'm going to show you how to find a diamond in the rough. So, what exactly is a value stock? Simply put, it's a company trading for less than it's actually worth. Think of it like finding a high-end name brand jacket at a clearance sale. The jacket is still high quality, it still keeps you warm, and the stitching is perfect. But for some reason, the price tag has been marked down by 40%. In the stock market, value investors are the ultimate smart shoppers. Now, you might be wondering why stocks go on sale. Well, usually it's because of a market's emotion. Maybe the company had one boring earning report, or they belong to an untrendy industry like banks or utilities. When investors get bored or hit the pain button, they sell. This drives the stock price down below the actual value of the company's cash, buildings, and profits. That gap between the low price and the high actual value, that's where the profit is made. To find these deals, you need a checklist. First, look for a low PE ratio. That's the price relative to its earnings. It tells you if you're getting a bargain on the company's profits. Second, look for a moat. This is a competitive advantage, like a massive brand or patent that protects the business. And third, look for dividends. Many value stocks pay a percentage of their profit just for holding the stock. It's like getting paid to wait for the rest of the market to wake up. But a word of caution, be aware of the value trap. Just because a stock is cheap does not mean it is a bargain. Sometimes a stock is cheap because the company is falling, the management is poor, or the product is becoming obsolete. If you buy a cheap company that actually is sinking ship, you're not value investing, you're just catching a falling knife. Value investing isn't about getting rich by tomorrow morning. It's about the discipline of buying a dollar for 17 cents and having patience to wait for the market to realize it made a mistake. It's not flashy and it's often boring, but it's one of the most proven ways to build wealth over the long haul. That is all for now. See you next time, besties.